Good morning. Beautiful Tuesday, na so it be for inside the city of anywhere where you day. We will day for inside Lagos for here, and a lovely time it be for inside Lagos. So anywhere where you day, just assume say they okay. Whether sun they shine or rain they fall, just assume for your mind. They say, see for this life, as you see it, that's how it will be. So even if you don't stand under sun since you never chop, my brother, no worry. Beautiful day it is. If you dey find money you no get, no worry. Beautiful day it is. If you dey find something, anything, you no see the something or anything, beautiful day it is. So that's an inspirational word from Mayowa to you, aka Padi Padi Part 1. That is it. So welcome to the show on a beautiful day, anywhere that you are. Okay,
Padi Padi Part 2. Whether they turn the chime, you don't hear yourself just now. See whether they turn the chime.
I sounded very inspirational.
Okay, me too. I want to start inspirational.
Why can't they do like this?
Turn the chime. I don't know. That's it. They do this.
You be like Two-Face.
Yes, so. Yes, so. Nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. Pua, pua. Yeah.
All can subu. You will fall.
Plenty things they happen. Spiritual healing. Nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. You understand? So when they welcome everybody, call the Padi show for today. Nothing
but
they
why
happen.
they do like Mbesa?
I don't know why.
Since morning, before they do action for this thing, but then they do like mumu since. And what's wrong?
No, not be mumu thing. You understand? You understand me now? See, when you get at peace with yourself, and you find joy and happiness inside yourself and in the internal, they show the thing on the altana. You understand me now? So most of the people they don't understand. Look, see. When you dance, now expression of a joy they get in the inside. Are you hearing what I'm saying?
Yes.
Are you hearing me?
I feel you.
When you dance, dancing now a proof of the joy you feel inside your body.
Yes.
When you're playing around, now a proof of something when you feel inside your body.
Yes.
Are you hearing me now?
Yes.
So because at the day in a joyful mode, anybody when they watch us like this go day in a joyful mode. Someone shout hallelujah.
Joyfully, yeah. We're going up to dedicate our joy to the show. Joyfully, we are going up. We're going to his presence with joy. Joyfully.
We don't do galewu and what do you call that?
You don't do what?
What?
Shut up.
This is galewu in my church. What's wrong with you? Please.
It's called Makosa.
Makosa. No, it's a galewu, gawu. Galewu,
Galewu don't finish you.
That does that, yes. Una welcome. All right, so as it be like this now, on the joyful pin, I'm going to start the show today. Una welcome to the Party Show with your girl and of course,
for our mind and DJ they here.
For our mind,
DJ they here. I want to give a musical video now.
I beg. We for just dance one small thing.
We not say no they're part of the plan, but just give us one.
Today we'll start on a very early P like this. You understand?
I beg. People don't get problem. Truth.
They don't get into.
You got people don't get problem. Lights day,
everything
water day. No, no day. All those things no day.
For yourself, but for you to say for this kind of prank, you don't go end.
No.
Because even when that guy don't come out, some people go see they run.
They run.
You also see yourself for Badagry.
For inside this kind of Lagos now. for this Lagos where we dey now, for those of now we don't know Lagos, this kind of prank, if you work for that kind Lekki, if you work for VGC, you understand me now? That Lekki self, it depends on the place. If you work from like maybe like phase 1, phase 2, exactly. That kind Agugi, if you work because of kind touch areas.
Now mixture of touch and small.
And then if you enter some kind of place for those new estate for inside Ajana, if you
walk all those estates,
but make it just come down, enter inside like Mushin,
Oshodi,
carry where people they wait for bus for Okoko, or near that side where Krikri day,
or just go somewhere like maybe go Ikorodu,
inside.
Your own finish. You police, you hold us.
If you there for inside north, maybe you there for inside that kind Kaduna. This kind of, if you work for that kind Angwarimi,
for Kazao,
if you work for if you work for Angwarimi, if you work for like Bernawa locals, if you work for like Malawi Crescent, but if you enter that kind Angwandosa.
Hey, Angwandosa. They will shook your body for you.
Don't try it.
Court you, give you small.
Don't try it.
So first of all, they call Kazao.
Yes, actually.
I also form Amo. I say Kazao.
You're very smart. You're lawyer.
Good.
Shut up. Make we enter Yandian.
Yan.
This is the nervous a big
Abracadabra.
Do. Gist now.
You know they shout like that. Not too good.
I shout.
All right. You know. Understand.
Okay, make I calm down. At the jump.
Yes.
All right.
You know work for you, Abby.
You know pure.
Shout.
All right. So for inside this next gist, I won't give you now. Ogbe. You know do sign language for this one.
No, no.
What if this?
No, you know say when the Jagade they do. When our politics, when they read the announce, they do. When they call one state's own, you gotta do. They talk.
All right, okay. So this particular gist one I won't give you now. Do now.
No.
This one concern one of our artist people them. It concern one of our artists them. When I know this guy, here we are, as your people with one heart, with one voice. That guy will be say they sing like say won't cry, like say whole life.
They always won't cry for a song.
Him. Now he sing Ìyàwó mi.
Olólùfẹ́ mi, ọ̀rẹ́ mi aláyọ̀ mi, I will love you forever.
That particular guy they call Timi Dakolo.
Timi Dakolo.
Yes, he was the winner for the Idols West African that year. Where we say now Omawumi come be running up.
Second.
This guy now, well, you know say him be this is what I want to talk now. If he puts me for trouble.
See, I do your back.
Make I just talk. Make I talk.
I do your back.
This particular guy now, you know, say him be the cabinet of Ogajo. And you know, say as Ogajo no come there again now. My guy now don't they look for other possibilities. Now I make him commot talk say if una give me opportunity, I go do politics. Music no pay again. Music ojawoma. This thing I'm telling you. Now he say because I want to impact for people. I want to give back to society. Marriage changed me. I want to give back. So if you like give me opportunity, I go do music.
We know what collect. You go do politics. We know what collect. See that for the music where they do. Guys you not do again. Yourself not do again. You understand? Power have changed hand and everything has changed again. You understand me now? So I be like this now. Make you go do something.
We didn't say that's why we are just saying that maybe.
Forget it. Nothing. Timi Dakolo na my guy. If I see him face to face, I tell you, say, Oga, they sing your song. Sing another new one. Maybe that new one will work. You understand? We
Sorry. Timi, not do this kind of thing. Change the voice back.
Timi, not do this kind of thing. Timi, not do this kind of thing. You pain.
Sorry.
You understand? No, see, these are our celebrities that we get for this country and everything. Hey, you are doing a pium. Sit down one place. Sit down one place.
By the time you blow now, who knows what you go do? Who knows?
No, but I'll try as possible not to do pium. But I got the money go take you.
Oh, you go pium shot.
You go pium. You pium.
But this one, no be the money, no be
this one.
Moving on.
Okay, we don't want to be impacted in. We just want good leaders for this country.
Yes, thank you.
If you feel I can be a good leader and they elect you to do it in the future,
that's okay. But for now, sing song.
For now, just sing.
For now, just sing.
I know they cry too much again for the song. They're happy for some song too. What's wrong with you? Be happy. You understand? Chinese woman. Lingungwa.
What do they worry these Chinese people?
I don't know. They can just do some kind of amazing things. This particular woman, now regular woman, they do one party. Look at just break her down like that. They just do one party, everybody they groove. She can't say she go use her leg, lifts people up. What a man can do, a woman can do far more experientially better.
Okay.
So well of the day they group their groove.
See
the video. Everybody they group their groove. Now she can't sit down. Say I can carry some men with my leg. Everybody can't do. Now she can't carry them with leg. See how people take the bounce. The woman now you are proving to people that look, me, I'm a woman that have many things in my body and talent too. So you understand? So this one is prove one thing. So not be only they see what she they do. See what she they do. What a man can do. Why will a woman bother?
Ogbola, can you do this? You are talking
why
about
should a woman bother? This one?
Yes.
Me.
This one not be woman now.
No, now she gets man spirit.
Ogbola, this now old man. The W don't lost.
She have a man spirit. Old don't come out. Now
this
old
one,
man. This.
He go beat you like this tomorrow. He go beat you. You do ball.
I pity her husband. She go dey press in neck.
I dey tell you this thing.
She can't carry 6 you. People leave the party where they come they clap for this woman. Say, hey! This woman, you dey groove.
Now what? I beg you.
Well, hey, Mayowa. Even for the life where you go come after this one, say you go fit do this kind of thing.
I no want one. No be what I say I go fit. I no even want one. If I sabi, I go unsabi am.
But actually, it proves another thing, Sha.
Say
women feel do much more than just being
it proves that some people actually they're very flexible. Flexible? Yes, because now flexibility for you to take fit balance that kind of weight. Yeah. Well, you understand? Well, you know, and then it proves say, of course, the kind of way they chop again, they matter. It matter.
We will they chop, but before you they chop akpu now, then they chop grass.
Now wait till they talk. When you chop akpu finish.
But akpu supposed to make you feel the good.
Ogbola, you go sleep, go.
No, akpu no go feel make you dey
flexible. Ordinary pap. You drink and well, we mind where it makes sense.
Hey, obese.
May you can't come off
it. You
go sleep.
Malebo. No ever drink ogi for money, no.
Don't
go
try
walk.
it.
You go dull.
Don't try it.
You all don't finish that day. You got the slow, you don't like this.
Or custard and bread.
Only got the slow for office. They say, what's wrong with you?
I make you put a wagon, you put her inside the bread.
Tear back.
No.
You all finish you.
Oh, no,
wagon.
And bread.
Ogi. Or bread. Oh,
no problem. We shall go on the break.
We'll go break. All this food talking, maybe the hungry one.
Meanwhile, before we go break, send us message for Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Tell us what kind of food where they make you slow.
But yesterday, they will tell people say me they ask us any question. They never ask us.
They never ask us.
They never ask us. So just go. No, make them do them.
Okay.
Make them do them. Wanna go Twitter? Ask us any question, personal or any kind of question you want to ask us about ourselves or anything on the show. Go Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Reach there and then we go answer any question at all. We will not get to ask us. We they go on a break and they coming back. You are vain. I don't like vain people, but now I know you are like we're vain. Like this. Know me, na. Yeah, yo. Know me. You know old school boys.
Don't show your age. Maybe 70 tomorrow. Your 70-year-old birthday tomorrow.
Bring my glass.
No.
Bring my glass.
No.
Bring my glass.
Take it by force. Try it on the show, but try to be violent. Try.
Why not shave?
I shave.
Okay. Come put your hand down. Wait till you want
to shave, John.
Want to show everybody say you carry dustbin.
I'm proud of my shave.
No, you want to kill me for this place?
Okay, so this next decision I want to give you on top here and the yam matter. Now, this particular person. Hello. Hello there.
What is the worry this on now? You did something, job. Before you can put windscreen for face.
No be your own.
It fits my head.
Come on, get away.
You enter my head. Where
Come on, go.
You be like,
so this particular guy, he lifts donkey with his teeth.
Not Chinese.
The guy said not talent.
Not Chinese.
You know, say he gets farmhouse, then in there for farmhouse when in they grew. So now from there, he can they teach himself, until he can learn how to lift animal with his teeth.
We get the video.
Now the gist be that too.
We get the video.
I don't even know whether.
No, they don't fair one or say if you watch this video, if they make your teeth they pain you as they watch them.
As they watch them.
But just watch it and just amaze yourself.
See, now teeth they use lift that whole animal. You see? You see?
Say this one now. Say he shall no day again.
Say he get strong teeth.
He say because you get strong teeth. If this guy warn you, say if I bite you, just run. This one don't need to buy gun.
He not gonna need to warn you. He go just do you.
You don't need to come find this thing. Say you don't need to find knife.
He go just show you teeth.
He don't warn you. He don't. I they warn you. You just run.
Just run.
You know. Go to the one person.
They go me.
Waiting. He dey purge. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's official. My one the purge. Okay, so we're going to like rush the show quick. Then we'll continue every. But for my own gist, lastly, for inside US of A, the particular guy that they call Adam Leon's 34 years old guy. When he been there like secondary school, make I put it like that. When he been there like secondary school, now one of the Jewish guy for school, the guy not they try at all. You know, nobody even reason say this guy go fit even get one girlfriend. But as you come up for secondary school, perhaps, you understand, you guys can read books on how to take the cash checks. You say, man, when you read this psychology book, them on how to take they attractive. They make guys they attracted to you. You take on the work for them. Only you all go for one square, just stand for there. They collect numbers from different chicks. Before you know it, you can't apply the thing the way you read inside the book for in personal life. From nowhere, you can say, man, only you can't groove like 13 girls. Last, he can't say he can't tire him. He don't want to live that kind of life again. But now he want to come and marry. See the guy picture like this now. He say he can marry one of the girls who they call Alexander. From there, marry one of the girls. They can't talk say, man, only two of us know if they live together alone. We still want extra.
I mean, I'm a fine boy.
I'm a fine boy.
I'm an attractive boy.
I'm a guy.
I need an extra woman.
Exactly. You know, when many women are liking me and everything, maybe we just add one join just in case. Now so they can't carry another one join them. So now. So they happy. See two wives now for Alexander. Where the gist can't change again. Alexander now talks say, blessed they will put one more.
And all of them love themselves.
All of them love themselves together. One of the girls not first born before. He said they're not first born for outside. But all of them say, together we can coexist. You
know what pay me possible for this gist? He tell they talk for the interview, say, him and him get friends, two of them, then go teach their children, say, then they in love, all of them. Are you foolish?
That means they feel like that now, All of them feel like that now. Before you notice, they go reach like 12 for the house.
If they plan to take the third one,
Yeah, now the plan. So before you notice, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you are an African man.
You check you well.
Check and you get African blood somewhere. Somewhere, you get African blood. Because white thing they do this kind of thing normally. But now, the world is changing. It's a polygamous thing. And
so, person go just look me now. Look me finish. In my state. Marriage me. Or keep me in the house as a living lover.
Yes.
You now look at me and say, oh, baby, I don't think that we are enough. I need you to add to another person. I will not look at you and say, wow. You want to add another person to me?
Yes, baby.
Have you coped with my trouble? You say no.
I know I can cope with another trouble.
Yeah. I will now sit down and say, Mayowa will say, you understand me now? I will have a conversation with myself. I will say, Mayowa. Mayowa will say, I will say, Mayowa, you need to do something.
Hey.
You need to bring out the Yoruba girl in you.
You hop it.
I will wait when the girl comes.
You hop it.
When he go out, how we catch the girl? How we put her hot water? How we beat? How we beat? How we beat?
You will bring out the Yoruba in the inside of you.
How we tie a rapper so that I can move well. When I beat finish, when he now say want to do the third one, how we catch him? How we
bite the ear.
Finish.
But any which way, you know me saying, nobody fit talk for anybody. If you want to live polygamous life, fine. It's your business, you understand? So Adam, feel free.
Funny, they're not even married.
But as it be like this now, they don't agree, all of them go, they stay. The women say they don't agree.
One happy family.
They don't agree now. So the one that they spoil like this now. Before you know it, go so hear trumpets.
Sebi una agree. It's okay.
So that they will come out for the whole thing, no. Any gist when I get to give us gist, when I go for Twitter at Wazobia PADI, reach there, give us gist on top every. Who yourself. Put speech for your neighbor. Oh, yeah. It go behave. You understand? So when I go give us gist, ask us any question when I want ask us, and we are continuing on top of the whole thing, okay? From now, we go for the laugh, not go anywhere. We are coming back. They rub.
I want to go to Cape Town.
Cape Town?
Yes, Cape Town.
From there, we're going to the funeral in Wellington.
Okay, thank you.
Hey,
yes.
You cannot put that in the taxi,
in the
man.
back here.
Hey, what you do, you can't
put him in.
You can't take this coffin in there. People in my taxi, Joe. Naku better when take this coffin out of my taxi.
Sorry.
Suka wena, suka.
Okay, put it down.
Yeah.
Yes, take him out. Okay, let's take him to.
I don't feel laughed. I want laugh, but I don't feel it.
Women, they're not dramatic. Serious. Take off for Africa. Serious. All right. Any which way, we'll get pictures. We'll go so. I'm about to do quick pictures. Sharp.
But no more rap now.
We'll not rap this thing quick. But my wife belly on the rap.
Oh yeah, move. You don't do. I beg. Mona pity me.
Say this picture.
I beg.
All right, so now thank you very much. Now join us on Ontop PADI show for today, and I hope so don't hear all the information and everything we don't follow on our gist today. Okay, so wanna join us on top Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Reach there, give us gist at Wazobia PADI. Follow us on top Facebook. Follow us our page on top Facebook. Just go there, PADI page on top Facebook. Go like them and invite friends to join too. All right. So from myself and the punch catching Mayawa.
Take una microphone.
We go see you now. We love all of you. Tomorrow, see day, and God bless you.